Hi, I'm Jacqueline Christensen. I'm the Training and Evaluation Associate at the Los Angeles Child Guidance Clinic. I coordinate the trainings for the Early Intervention Training Institute. What we do at our Early Intervention Training Institute is provide trainings to various service providers working with children birth to 5 throughout the Los Angeles community. We provide trainings to serve hundreds of people. We also go out to different organizations and provide trainings there as well. We provide trainings for mental health clinicians, for social workers, DCFS, the Department of Mental Health, and Early Head Start. We try to include a variety of domains, so not just mental health, but sensory processing, occupational therapy, brain development, learning, all those things that are important in children birth to 5.
I'm at this training is because it'll help our work with the children that we serve. We're a mental health agency that serves children between the ages of 0 to 15. So with a growing 0 to 5 population and treatment of that population, I think that this is crucial for all of mental health professionals to attend.
I just think that the information that's provided at this training will be helpful for the home visitors when they go out to the families, because the more knowledge that they have, the better they can interact with the children and the families that we provide services for.